Kazumo Primary School. Nani manisa abana abatakizere bamanisa bazire babo okumirkanerizo.
Arukugambaho n'abanyamakuru aha polisi ya Kazo District Ogu ahawira abakuru b'amashomero okurebeka ngo nabagezaho munonga okwetegereza buri mwana waza kutaho mu ishomero ekiyadaha munacho ngo barekeraho kureba abana kabatine kabikona munkabaza
the school leaders, the headmasters, head teachers, to check children's property as they are admitted in their schools. We should not take it for granted that all children are well and they are safe. All property must be checked and swept to ensure that they are safe for admission in schools.
Or DPC ahabwa Kazo District Philip Mukasa agaruche yarabura abarukora abanza mwente bekanisa za government ezuru munke sente za parish development model ubwo barukuzirya ngo tubarashutame nabo nka polisi ngo nibija gukora cune cyo kubasika okureba ngo babakora nko kucyo kubasika.
Parish development model, there are complaints that some parish chiefs are extorting money from people in the name of registration. These are complaints that have come here and we have registered. We have opened up a GF, a General Inquiry file, to investigate these matters. I just want to send a warning to parish chiefs and all those involved in the management of the parish development model in Kazo that they are attracting arrest in the event that they are extorting money from the unsuspecting public. We are here as police to support government programs to the latter. We are going to be involved and get involved, so much involved in these programs to ensure that we protect the dignity of this government program.
Kandi bo bakuru b'amashomero abarumunka kandi ho Sam Murara uri mukuru w'ishomero rya Kazomodo Primary School hamwe na Katurebe Godfrey uri mukuru w'ishomero rya Kazomodo Secondary School bahamize cyarumwe okugira ngo byo kwerinda mu mashomero gabo birya higura umunonga kandi bagaruka bayihanangiriza bazire okureta abana babo mubwire okwenda kwerinda kuferwe bigezo
abazire mugereza abana b'ishomero itunguruga gwitu no kwakira abana bakasoma ibindi bija kwani nawecho itwe namo bana wetu beginning of time bakora abakashana mwena abakashana tuntu pere buzo ahaba ishomero cyo kubaza cyamusanze kwenda kureba babana bagira n'abazire bagira amana mwingi kukukizo so abakashana tunitegeteka abana wetu beje ko bashikire inama mpaho ninga bahwire
buri ubunanzi bwa bwuzire kurangwa kuregana n'abashumisa ishomero yatera sumu yamanya umwana yamuhereza yishikayo shazinge yaradoka shazinge na n'ushumisa nawe umwana akwarija ishomero sosiyebezi cyo kureberaho teka Kazomodo High School teka mwana shima kwa na komishomero sitakarengesha kumwe mwana akwarija shazirengeraho ushima kwa uri ubunanzi bwite bw'ishomero kureba ngo twatera umuzeto mukuza twamanya habwacho mwana guyishika ishomero shazarengere
abeji abarumu head girl hamwe na head boy aba Kazomodo Primary School basima bazire babo kutwara ubuvunanizibwa okurebeka ngo babashashorere bishare by'amashomero kandi n'abashomesa babo okutandikiraho
Abazire batakayete abana babo bariyo mbagaza abana babe nyuma kuba abashishisheme bariyo mbashoma babarete batanditse kushoma abana musima staff y'ishomero abakora tshangiye barede kushomesa ayigiye kushika hatshangiye bona batyaza bashitara habaye bategereza abana kushomesa sima bazire abaritsara abana babo bambire mbene mbasima mununga kandi nsima n'abana bagereze kumanisa bazire babo no kumurika n'izobere kandi manisa abana abarya bagezeho kusoma ibitabo munonga kwenda ngo bashike egitamu ne academics batembe basomo karasi zindi
amakuraga gashakwa Sima Naume abwa Sky TV agenshonga.